Hello guys, this video will show you how to create this really cool effect where you have a pipe and there's room in the underlying mesh for the pipe as well. So it's a really easy, fun effect to create. And real quick guys, if you want to learn this awesome new program called Plasticity, I've got a course for you in the description. It's the first link there. And it's got a lot of awesome content, guys. It's got over 42 hours of educational content. It's got a tree cutting mechs. It's got police robots, Omega, SMGs, cyborg ninjas, and much more. So be sure to check that out. So I was looking at this piece of artwork by Ben Andrews. He's doing some cyberpunk art here. A very good source of inspiration if you're looking for some hard surface sci-fi designs. My favorite. So you've got this kind of wire going through here, and you can see right here in the underlying mesh, there's some nice room for it, and then it connects right here. So this just is a nice way of making things look more organic and more interesting, and not just all blocky. So I'll show you how to do that really easily in Plasticity. All right, so it's as simple as clicking here and then using, spline curve. And then, by default, it's going to snap right here. We've got the stack behavior on, enable snapping. And you simply go ahead and kind of weave it where you want it to go. All right, then you can right click when you're finished. All right, and it's going to be, nice and snug in there. If you want it to be a little bit more snug, you can use the imprint command. So you can press Shift I and then click on the object and then let it run here. And then I can delete this one. You can see it's imprinted right here. All right, at this point, I can go ahead and press P and create a pipe out of that. All right, but I'm going to go ahead and undo that, undo the imprint, and we're just going to use the basic spline that I made right here. So we'll go ahead and press P, and we'll go ahead and increase the section size. Let's try 25, maybe a little bit smaller. Let's go ahead and go with maybe 16, see what that gives us. All right. Just like that, we've got a pipe from here. I'm gonna go ahead and hide that, and we can go ahead and delete the spline right here. So I press H to hide, and then Alt H to unhide all. All right, at this point, I can click on this and press M and give this a different color. Let's give a nice dark color right there. All right, next we'll select this, left click on that, hold Shift, and then left click on this, press Q to subtract. But then we're going to press T right here to enable keep tools, which is going to actually keep this right here. All right, but now we can't actually see the underlying mesh right there. So all we have to do, guys, is we have to press 3, go into face level, select this, press D, and move it in a little bit. And as you can see, now the fact there's an indentation here becomes much more visible. All right, now as for this little area where it kind of blends in, that is as simple as selecting the end right here and pressing E, D, B for new body. That gives us that. And now we'll select this and we'll press D to grow this out a little bit here. All right, this one I can select this and press D to scale it like that. And maybe I can make it a little bit more smooth here. I'll press S for scale, V for custom pivot right here. And now I can kind of scale on the Z to get more of this kind of thing, which is going to be going in there. All right, we've got that. We can now select this, and we can maybe fill it beforehand. So we're going to go ahead and select the, actually go ahead and select this QQ to attach it together. All right, so as you can see, we've got that. It's now just a process of filleting and making it look nice and filleted and smooth here. And choosing a good fillet order to get a good result. All right. You can see in the concept art, we've got a few more little pieces right here. So we can do that as well. So I'll select this here. Once again, Shift D. I'll go ahead and thicken the sheet. That's the wrong direction, but that's okay. GV, gonna move that right there. All right, now I got that coming out of there. All right, got this little, we can always kind of very easily make it even smaller to make that easier to see. Make it easier to see that there's some nice, sometimes you want to go ahead and kind of exaggerate areas. All right, so for this little yellow piece, we can select this here and give D that, and then kind of a GG that right there, and RR, rotate that in there. I want to make sure it's nice and overlapping. Now select this and that, and Q, Shift Q. Now I can delete that and delete that. Give this a nice yellow color there. Alright guys, so this part I'm just doing a little extra stuff to show you how fun and easy it is to add additional details. Alright guys, so just like that you can have a very nice pipe going in here to add some more smooth, organic types of details in your hard surface designs. It's always a good idea to mix more angular stuff with more smooth stuff. It's always a treat to look at. So hopefully this technique will come in handy as you create more interesting designs here. And let's do a quick Alt X here. Especially with symmetry, you get a very cool result. So thank you for watching and take care.